Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to tell you how can you know who shared your Facebook post into Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening your Facebook application, simply go into here. From there, you can see all of the posts that you have posted. And after going to the post, if someone shared your post, it will show into this icon here. It is saying that two of the persons shared my post into Facebook. Just simply click into this button to know who shared the post. As you can see here, this guy shared my post into Facebook. By following these very easy steps, you can also see who shared your post into Facebook. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.